segment for PappysCorner coming up.
This school bus funny car I'm going to show you for the first race. I got a pick here from the pits, and I used to ride the short bus to school every day. They're going to pull the Trump flag and get ready for the race.
Seconds at 195 miles an hour.
Oh my.
Right up on the 8th mile. He's pushing 200 mile an hour. Looks like the bus might have shook a little bit going out.
That's a Motovox. Dylan used to have one of them.
The chopper style.
Oh, yeah. Quite a bit of seating. Just cut through.
Water now. One of Del Warson's funny cars, he has two. He can't drive them both. So he went ahead and led his ride tonight to Mr. Chad Head. Chad Head has run NHRA programs for several years, driving for his dad, Jim Head. Jim's still running a funny car in the NHRA currently, Chad.
And we get to see Brutus towed in as we cut through the staging lanes, and the Gladiator following alongside.
Alexis in the patrol car. Tequila patrol car. Alexis is
Smells like pancakes.
It does. That's how you know when you're ready to have a heart attack. You smell pancakes, you're about ready to keel over.
There's some pretty good eye candy as we go along through here.
Now it smells like fireworks.
We're going to stop here for a minute because a couple of funny cars are going to go over 300 miles an hour. You won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to hear it. They're going to start right about now.
Where'd he go?
full hit.
Hopefully at the other end.
Great balls of butter.
How fast did he say?
Like
318? Thanks.
Data for the next time around. Antlers pre-stage, waiting for his opponent to roll in the beams.
comes Brutus, the Gladiator, and the Nimrod.
This is Mustang on Mustang. Everybody give a big cheer for Brutus as he heads down the side of the track, sword in hand, ready to help back that car down. One thing to run down the track, but it's another thing to do it in a castle like that. Put a sword in your hand, I don't know, man.
They use about an 1/8 mile of the track just to do a burnout.
Motor in the Nimrod, 871 blower, little field blower, estimated horsepower, 2,000 horsepower in the Mustang. How about that? Brad Anderson heavy, 451 cubic inches in the Brutus machine.
That's the next motor we're getting in the truck.
A beautiful race car, the Brutus. You'll see that going around.
Looks like Brutus just got spanked by the Nimrod. And here's the time and speed, 7.156 seconds, 180.6 miles an hour. Thanks for coming, and here's a t-shirt we bought at the 66th World Series of Drag Racing at Cordova.